Hi, Sisi Koy. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a good health, more birthdays, more blessings to come. Enjoy your day today. And I love you. Take care of yourself, of course. And andito lang kami bilang kaibigan mo, nagmamahal sa'yo. And lagi nakasupport sa'yo always. And yan, happy birthday to you. I love you. Happy birthday!
Hello, shout out dyan, Mama Riz. Una sa lahat, binabati kita ng happy birthday sa iyong kaarawan ngayon. Maraming salamat sa support mo lagi sa amin. Nandiyan kayo. Sana lagi kayo mag-iingat at alagaan niyo mabuti yung health niyo. Dito lang kami, sama-sama pa rin tayo. Kahit minsan hindi tayo nakakapag-support ng bawat isa sa atin, pero nandito pa rin kami, nakasupport tayong lahat sa atin. Mag-ingat ka lagi, Mama Riz, at ito na, happy birthday. Salamat, Mama Riz. Bye!
Hello everyone! Hello guys! Ayan, so to our sexiest, prettiest, kind-hearted person na nakilala ko dito sa YT World, Pilipina, Maris Bisaya. Ayan, so happy birthday sa'yo sis. Ayan, so wish ko sa'yo good health dahil pagka meron tayong malusog na pangatawan, kaya nating gampanan ang lahat ng mga tungkulin natin dito sa mundo. Ayan, pagiging ina at syempre pagiging kaibigan, pagiging kapatid at sa lahat-lahat na. So, good health and more blessing. Ayan, thank you for always sharing your blessing to all of us. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta mo sa aking channel lagi sis. At sana marami pa tayong mga pagkakataon na magkaroon ng bonding moment sa iyong panel, sa ating panel at sa panel ng ating mga kaibigan. And Sis Maris, yan, isa ka sa napaka-generous at napakabait, napaka-supportive. Although, ayan, so dumating ang pagkakataon na kailangan mong mamili between two other team, pero your heart still in the Team International. So you're always welcome here, Sis Maris, and I love you always. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan at lagi ka namin suportahan hanggat kaya namin sumuporta sa mga pagkataon na nakalive ka. Ayan, so thank you so much, Sis Maris, and God bless. Sana makahanap ka din ng true love na magmamahal sa'yo. Iba pa rin ang merong katuwang. Ayan. So, once again, happy birthday, Sis Maris. And more birthday to come. And always remember, we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Filipina Maris. So, more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. See you in your live streaming and good luck.
Hi, Miss Maris. This is Monalisa TV official from Team International. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day po. God bless. Bye.
Hey Maurice, Slim here from America. Just want to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you have a great one. Peace, love, and always. God bless.
Hi everybody, Joseph Fields here, and I want to say a happy birthday to Filipina Maris Bisaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maurice. Yes, I knew. No, I didn't organize it. Your good friends did, okay? We love you. You sing, you dance, you make everyone happy. You bring joy to everyone. Thank you so much. And don't stop believing, because we believe in you. You make us all happy. Now we need to make you happy. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sis Maris. Guwapang Sis Maris. Happy birthday. Oh yeah. Ayan. Sana masaya ka sa iyong special day. Ang wish ko sa'yo, more birthdays to come, good health, and of course, more blessings to come. Ayan. Thank you, Sis Maris. Sis Maris na maganda sa palaging support mo sa akin. Thank you. Kasi hindi ka nagsawang magsusupport sa aking live. At kahit dito lang tayo nagkakilala sa YT, at totoong guwapang Maris ka talaga. Ay, ayan, thank you. Sana marami pang darating na birthday. Ayan, dinagdagan na naman yung ano natin. Edad. Ayan, basta andito lang ako palagi, Sis Maris, na mag-support din sa'yo. Ayan, salamat sa friend, na totoong friend. Kahit dito lang tayo sa YT nakakilala. Ayan, thank you, Sis Maris. And once again, happy birthday to you. I love you. Bye.
Maurice, happy birthday. Hope you have a great birthday tonight. Look forward to seeing you. Spend some time listening to you sing. And it's been great knowing you. I hope I see you again on your birthday next year. And we can have fun then too. Yeah, happy birthday, Maurice.
Hi Maurice, happy birthday. It's me, Sneaker Dan, greeting you on this very important day of your life. Your birthday only happens once a year, and people need to make most of the celebration with their special friends, loved ones, and of course their special someone. So what I wish for is, of course, all the blessings, all the happiness, and all the sharing that comes your way in this very important day. What are you going to do on this occasion? Are you going to sing? Are you going to dance? Or are you going to palipad something? Just kidding. Alright, well, thank you so much. Happy birthday again. It's me, Sneaker Dan, and from Tinder International, happy birthday.
Hello everyone! Hi, Sis Maris! Ayan, batiin ko man ng happy birthday sa kaibigan kong napaka-sexy, napakagaling sumayaw, at bukod sa lahat, napakagaling kumanta, of course. Ayan, thank you so much sa support mo palagi sa amin, sa buong Team International, at saka even though saglit lang yung pagsasama natin, pero yung friendship natin andun pa rin. Mula nun hanggang ngayon, buo pa rin yung friendship natin. At salamat sa